In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning online portfolio using Hostinger's website builder. Whether you're showcasing your artistic creations, your professional achievements, or your personal projects, having an online portfolio is a must in today's digital landscape. We'll go through the entire process step by step, so don't worry if you're new to this. By the end, you'll have your own personalized website ready to impress. Let's dive right in. Our journey begins by logging into the Hostinger website builder. You'll want to head over to their main website and locate the login button. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be taken to your dashboard where the magic begins. Next up, it's time to select your portfolio template. Hostinger offers a variety of pre-designed templates tailored specifically for portfolios. This is a fantastic starting point if you're looking for a quick setup without sacrificing style. However, if you're feeling adventurous and want a completely unique look, you can start from scratch. Remember, the goal is to choose or create a layout that complements the content you'll be showcasing on your site. Now that we've got your template ready, let's add some essential pages to your website. Begin by creating separate pages for your projects, an About Me page where you can share your story, and a contact page so visitors can easily reach out to you. These pages form the backbone of your portfolio, guiding visitors through your work and allowing them to engage with you. Customizing content, images, and layout is where you get to infuse your personality into your site. Click on each page and start editing. For the projects page, consider adding high-quality images and concise descriptions that tell the story behind each piece of work. On your About Me page, write a short biography that reflects your background, skills, and passions. It's your chance to let your audience connect with the person behind the creations. Don't forget your contact page. Adding elements like a form or social media links can make a big difference in how people get in touch with you. It's crucial to take your time adjusting layouts, fonts, and colors to ensure consistency and professionalism across your site. Preview your changes often and ask for feedback from friends or colleagues. We want your portfolio to look polished and inviting to everyone who visits. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece. With just a click of a button, your portfolio will go live, ready to make its mark on the World Wide Web. Hostinger makes it easy by handling the technical side so you can focus on what truly matters, showcasing your work. Congratulations! You've just built a portfolio site that's all set to attract attention and open doors to new opportunities. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to explore all the creative possibilities that your new website offers. Until next time.